Legacy. A legacy spread over 5 decades. This is what drives Siriram Filters towards a single goal: perfection in every endeavor. Fueling this belief is a facility equipped with industry-leading machinery, crafted to engineer precision, and powered by a team of experienced and dedicated technicians. Every stroke on our machines is guided by a shared dream: make in India, make for the world. Our fully CNC automated fleet of machines is backed by technicians with years of experience and a culture that believes in learn together, grow together. With one of the largest in-house wire mesh weaving capacities in the country, Siriram Filters delivers perfection in every stroke. Spot welding machines ensure uniform welding with absolute accuracy, along with a wide range of pack filters completely tailor-made to fit your needs. A dedicated filter press shop, equipped with a mix of power presses, manufactures filters of varied sizes and shapes. Supported by CNC drilling and turning machines, components are produced for use in our completely in-house built products. Our CNC programmers undergo monthly training, enhancing performance and consistently delivering top quality products. Automation in every process possible. A state-of-the-art advanced filtration unit where performance meets perfection. A quality control lab equipped with the most advanced VMM machine in the industry ensures product quality through precise inspection and detailed daily reporting by our expert team. A thoughtfully designed stock warehouse offers ease of material handling and selection, supported by a dedicated material inspection process. Our carefully aligned and clearly labeled stockroom streamlines dispatch, ensuring smooth, consistent, and timely execution of orders. Daily team meetings encourage discussion, new findings, and collective growth. By ensuring every voice is heard, we spark innovation. With a head office in the bustling financial capital of the country, this is where ideas take shape and team discussions define the next phase of innovation.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruv Marwa, Managing Partner, Siriram Filters. Founded in 1972 by late Ravindra Marwa, Siriram Filters began with stainless steel wire mesh and a vision rooted in craftsmanship, honesty and long-term thinking. From a single unit in 1972, today Siriram Filters operates multiple facilities with offices coordinating every details. Innovation for us was never about speed alone, it was about doing the right thing every single time. Service and trust will always take precedence over profits.
Every filter designed to perform, every product tailored to perfection. This is what Siriram Filters believes in.